We talk football SA. FNB Stadium, Golden Arrows 1, Kaiser Chiefs 0, MTN 8 last 8. My brother, what can you say?
Igama lami Isaac ne.
Yeah, Isaac.
Yeah, ni Kaizer Chiefs fan enkulu ne.
Enkulu.
Yeah, kakhulu my king, and I'm so disappointed ne.
Yeah.
Indlela esidlale ngayo today.
Yeah.
Nangizoqala ku first line up ne. Yeah, for me uNgcobo uslowly. Sine combination egrand kaMabuya noNdlovu. So befanele iwafa le my king. Uthatha anything oqonba izokudlalela. Yabo siphere uNdlovu noMabuya because ba solid la midfield. uNgcobo uslowly. Plus lo mfana lo ufika wale Mtasing is very slow, that guy, and the coach wethu usubstitute late. Ufana nale out ebesebenza naye ngunayo ba substitute late, and uDuba is good on 45 minutes. So uDuba befanele umbeke benchini aqale ngolo mjidi number 50 uIgeliso yabo amjida ya aqala igame, then uDuba abese finalize because that guy akasiniki next my team. Mawungathi uya check stats sakhe since efikile teamini maybe una 3 goals,
but ushaye 2 last week.
It doesn't mean anything. Comparing if 8 games last season ne game A1 mhlambi lezo goals zi2 azikorile zezokuqala zezokugqibela. I'm saying not uDuba is good yabo, but this guy ezingene ezisub akasiniki next. So ucoach wethu befanele uya substitute before silimala yabona la, and ndifuna ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs isebenzile kulo mfana uphili. It's a good goal, it's a good ball. That boy, and secondly this guy umucha le coach le ubeliever ku youngster, but those boys they need experience. They need the experience, so we have to pay as Antwanezia nama quality players, so ngeke si rely kwabafana.
Landala makhehla makhawula ngale
Chiefs is a big team ne my king, so ngeke u rely ngabafana because you put more pressure than young boy.
Kufanele bangene phakathi kwabantu abadala.
Umfukeni, the reason why washina Orlando Pirates ufike ku squad esisolid, so waba ne role free yokudlala team,
waba nesikhathi.
That's why washina. So ngoku umfundo mayebamba ibhola sifake pressure too much, uyabona, and too much the pressure sibanika yona because of abantwana. Sinida is striker. It's a pity umayo kunaye bathi ubuya ngo September injury emphetheyo yabo, and umugele ayish
Nkosi yami.
manje ivala.
No, siyabulela mfowethu.